we are now in China! So guys, they told me that there's no ATM machine here in Hongqiao International Airport. Wow! First night in China! Hello, 大家好. So today is our second day here in Shanghai. We'll be heading out to Hengdian this afternoon. We'll be visiting Hengdian World Studios, where most of the C-dramas are filmed. I'm a fan of C-drama, especially the historical, the wuxia kind of genre. So going there is my dream, and I'm really excited. So yay! And also, Xiao Lucy's new series is being filmed there. So hopefully I'll get a chance to have hopefully I could see them there. So we'll see. I'm so excited.
From our hotel in Shanghai, we took a DD to Hongqiao Rail Station to catch a high-speed train to Yiwu Station, a journey that takes approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's best to book tickets in advance online, but purchasing them on-site is also an option. Upon arriving to Yiwu Station, we hired a DD cab to travel to Hengdian World Studios, which took around 1 hour. While buses are available, we opted for the fastest and easiest way since it was our first visit.
So ayun, naubusan na yata kami ng train. Ewan ko kung makakahanap kami ng train. Baka mag-business class na lang kami, which is $80 per ticket. Okay na rin siguro basta makarating na lang doon. At medyo sick na si hubby. Sana makahanap kami ng ticket. Ewan ko. Or baka gabi na lang umalis. Tapos walang paggabi na, hindi ko na alam. Too late na. Tapos walang paggabi na, hindi ko na alam. So finally, nakakuha na kami ng ticket pero 5 o'clock aalis. So makakarating kami doon ng mga around 6:30. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa amin. Kasi yung Hengdian 1 hour away from Yiwu. Sobrang haba ng pila. Sobrang mabilis din mawalan ng ticket. So, yun nga. Next time dapat nakapunta tayo.
Since our train leaves at 5 p.m. and we arrived at the station 4 hours early, I'm glad that there's a Teeny Weeny store here at the station. It's a brand endorsed by my favorite actress, Xiao Lucy. The designs are really nice and so cute, but I'm not in my shopping mood, so I didn't buy anything. Hongqiao Railway Station is really big, almost like an airport. I've never seen anything like it. We boarded our train and it took 1 hour and 30 minutes to get to Yiwu Station. By then, it was getting dark and we were so nervous because we didn't know the way to our hotel. The air quality was also making it difficult for my husband, and a lot of people were smoking, which added to our challenges since he is not really used to this. Once we arrived in Yiwu, we used our Alipay app to book a TT, and it took us another 1 hour to finally reach Hengdian. I was so happy and relieved the moment I saw the sign for Hengdian, China. I thought we got lost, but thankfully we arrived safely.
So guys, we arrived here at Hengdian, and we just checked in here at Holiday Inn, Hengdian Holiday Inn. I think the room is really good. The space is really big. There's a table there, there's a big TV, and then there's a area where you could, work or something. Yeah, and the bed is big. And what I really like is we're in front of the actual place that I really want to go, because it's dark at the moment, but tomorrow, I'm so excited to see it. Yun talaga yun. Hi all, so this is our first day here at Zhenjiang, Hengdian, China. Actually, I don't want to eat anymore. I want to go to the actual place and explore it. But hubby told me to, to eat first. Which is true. Anong gusto mo? Good morning, everyone! So, papunta na ako sa Hengdian World Studios. Actually, nandito na ako, pero today, mag-explore ako. Ayan na siya sa likod ko. Yan na agad siya. So, basically, yung hotel ko, yun lang. Yung hotel ko is Holiday Inn. Tapos, sa harap niya mismo yung Qin Dynasty. So basically, yung Hengdian World Studios, marami siyang studios talaga. Ilang acres siya. Pero yung gusto kong puntahan is yung nasa likod ko ngayon, which is yung Min and Qin Dynasty. So, explore natin siya today. Sayang, hindi ako pumunta ng super aga. Actually, 8 siya nagbubukas, pero parang 9 na and sobrang dami ng mga buses. In terms of temperature, guys, around 10 degrees. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, hindi naman sobrang init. At the moment, autumn ngayon, so yung leaves around dito, mga color orange and color yellow. Oh my God, guys, sobrang excited ko. Tignan niyo to. Diba? Familiar ba sa inyo yan? Yan. Diba dyan nagtatatakbo si Ling Buyi at si Xiaoxiang? Ah. Wow. Guys, service travel agency individual. Okay. So, is it okay now? So guys, hindi ako makapasok kasi nire-reject nung card ko yung transaction nila. Sabi potential theft daw. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Usually gumagana na may Alipay ko, pero dito hindi. Try kong book online. It's paid already. There? Okay. Okay guys, ang sabi is nalilito ko, ititry niya ulit i-process pero nakita ko na nabayad na siya sa WeChat. So, sabi nila, i-check ko daw yung ticket ko kung nakakonect na dun sa passport number ko. So, we'll check. Oh my God. Maraming ganap. Wait lang. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh my God. This is it, guys. Saya-saya ko. Smart guy. So, Qin Palace siya. Ewan ko kung tama yung pronunciation, pero Qin or Qin? Qin, I think. It's Qin Palace.
When visiting Hengdian World Studios, you can purchase tickets online or on-site. There are also various packages available. You can opt for a single scenic spot valid for 1 day, or for my case, I chose 3 scenic spots for 1 day. There are also many other combination packages available.
Oh, thank you. Okay. How can I pick three locations?
Despite the language barrier, the locals are very patient and helpful in communicating.
Okay.
But a translator app such as Papago or Google Translate is very helpful.
Ay, wow. Oh my God, guys, this is real. Guys, nandito na ako sa loob. Oh my God, kinikilig ako. Like, shit. Sobrang ganda. Ang lawak niya. Sobrang ganda. Oh my goodness. Like, usually, pinapangarap ko lang to. Wow, lalim. Usually, titignan ko lang to sa mga, napapanood ko lang to sa mga C-dramas. Tapos ngayon, nandito na ako. Sobrang saya ko. And sobrang ganda kasi yung weather. Sobrang liwanag ng sky. And hindi masyado mainit. So, actually, hindi rin masyado malamig. Since autumn ngayon, roughly yung temperature is around 7 to 15. So, since morning pa lang ngayon, around 10 a.m., okay pa talaga siya. Bukas uulitin ko to with hubby. So, yeah, ayan. Yay! So guys, for today's video, mag-ikot lang ako dito sa location. Then tomorrow, tatry ko magsuot ng costume, ng traditional Chinese wuxia clothes. So, yeah, enjoy muna natin ngayon yung tour.
Hengdian World Studios is a film studio located in Hengdian, a Chinese town in the city of Dongyang, Zhejiang Province. It is one of the largest film studios in the world. They said that roughly around 70 to 80% of Chinese period dramas are being filmed here each year.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Ito na talaga to. Shucks. Wow. Oh my God, guys. So yung nasa likod ko, ito yung shooting location ng Love Like the Galaxy. Oh my God. Nakakakilig talaga, guys. Hindi ko masabi yung nararamdaman ko today. So guys, nagprint ako ng picture. Mamaya arami kasing tao, pero nagprint ako ng picture. Dito yun, oh. Dito sa lalakaran ko ngayon, dito sinut itong scene na to ni Xiao Xiang at saka ng Third Prince. Tapos dito rin yung Fifth Prince at saka si Ling Buyi. So yeah, ayan. Oh my God, guys!
If you're a C-drama fan just like me, and your favorite genre is historical, period drama, wuxia, visiting Hengdian Studios is a must. Make sure to add it to your bucket list.
So guys, nandito muna ako, nakaupo lang ako sa gilid kasi parang gusto kong i-digest yung nakikita ko. Sobrang ganda, guys. Like, sobrang ganda. Yung tipong nakikita mo lang siya sa C-drama, pero ngayon nakikita ko na siya in real life. Talagang, wow. Imagine mo, dyan naglalakad yung mga characters na pinapanood natin sa series. Tapos, especially in this, in this part, which pakita ko sa inyo. Yung part na yan, di ba? I think merong mga scenes dyan doon sa mga napanood ko. Ayan. Sobrang raming tao. Dapat pala talaga kanina, mga 7 o'clock pa lang pumunta na ako.
Kasi yung hotel ko nasa harapan lang naman. Pero nag-breakfast pa kami and everything. So, okay lang din naman. Sana tomorrow maganda pa yung, yung weather para makapag-costume ako din, makapag-ikot-ikot ako. So, actually, before ako pumunta dito, naghanap ako ng mga international vlogs and instructions kung paano, pero wala. So, I'll try my best to compile everything na naranasan ko para if you plan to go, mas easy na. So far, I think, madali lang naman. Kailangan lang you have patience kasi maraming unknowns. Pero, hopefully, malista ko yung mga kailangan yung i-take note and then next time, mas madali na sa inyo. So, yeah.
Throughout the area, there are different activities and shows that you could go to. Sometimes they even ask for volunteers to join the show. You could either act as a soldier or whatever they require during that day.
Grabe, pumunta pa talaga siya doon. Oh, bongga. Oh, drone shot.
不让一寸，不让一寸，好吗？对，不让一寸，不让一寸。
So guys, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari, pero try nating sundan. So guys, every morning meron silang parang show. Ito yung show na yan. Maraming tao.
立功自在北方，已有国家兴旺，气血语顺，气气祈求国泰。
Wow. Sobrang ganda talaga dito, guys. And sobrang laki. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagsushoot sila Lucy. Kaya mag-iikot-ikot muna ako. Ayan. Familiar ba yan? Guys, familiar ba yan? Tingnan natin. Oh. Hi guys! So meron ngayong meron ganyan. Palikin yata yung tawag dyan. Ewan ko kung anong tawag pag Chinese. So I'll just try. Tara! Yay! Diba bongga? Oh my God! Sobrang dream ko talaga tong location na to. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila na yung background dito, ito yung favorite place ko dito sa Hengdian kasi napaka-iconic niya. Let's go somewhere else. Sobrang iconic niya, guys. And dito, usually, sa mga C-dramas at saka sa mga movies, ito yung walkway lagi. Pag may nangyayari, dito dumadaan yung mga soldiers. Lagay mo na kita dyan, tapos maglalakad ako. Wow! Sobrang ganda, as in. Hindi ko matantan tong favorite ko talaga tong lugar na to. Wow! Diba? Sobrang ganda dito. So, yun yung door na yan. And yung si ni Xiaoxiang at saka ni Third Prince. Favorite game sa Love Like the Galaxy. Kasi yun yung time na sobrang strong ng lines ni Xiaoxiang. Nag-mature na talaga siya doon sa sobra. Meron palang nakalagay na designs or mga nakaukit sa wall.
The whole area is really big, so make sure to prepare yourself to walk for at least 1 to 3 hours. That's only for one scenic spot. If you decide to do 3 scenic spots, make sure to block your whole day for it. Also, make sure to plan your day because some scenic spots are just open on daytime and some are open for day and night. So make sure to check the opening times and the closing times.
Sobrang ganda. Wala akong masabi kung hindi sobrang ganda. From this view, ayan makikita mo yung usually dyan yung mga drills. Maybe Who Rules the World, parang may scene doon ng check nila yung horse. Parang dito yun. Parang isa sa mga fields dito yun. Ayan dyan. Sobrang ganda guys. Punta kayo. Dito yung mga scenes dito yung mga training ng mga soldiers. Wala akong maisip na specific series, pero I think The Long Ballad, maraming scenes na naglalaro sila, nag-training sila. So I think isa yun dito. Pero usually, change naman nila yung set pag nag-shoot sila. So, ayan. Ganda. Mga makalumang swing. Oh my God. Nakatakas pala to, guys. Ah! Oh. Wow. Okay, kaya ko naman. Ah. Okay, nakasurvive ako. Woo! Woo! Thank you, Lord. Woo!
Hindi ko alam kung dito sinut yung kay Xiaoxiang at kay Lin Buyi, but I think this is the closest. Ayan. Diba? Baka naglagay lang sila ng set kaya hindi masyadong familiar. Pero mukhang dito.
Okay guys, so sa wall dito sa Qin Dynasty, Qin Palace, meron silang wall ng mga series na sinut dito. And finally, nakita ko na yung nahanap ko. Ang dahilan ko bakit ako pumunta ng China, nandito na. Ayan. So, ayun sila. Hi, Lin Buyi. Hi, Xiaoxiang. Ayan. God experience yun, guys.